Hey tech enthusiasts! Exciting news alert: the Samsung Galaxy A55G is on its way, and we've got the inside scoop for you. First off, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay in the loop with all the latest tech updates. So, what's the buzz all about? Well, the Galaxy A55G has recently been spotted on the FCC certification, and the hype is real. This successor to the popular Galaxy A54 is gearing up to wow us with some cool features. According to the FCC listing, the A55G will support dual SIM cards, giving you more flexibility with your connectivity. Plus, it's expected to come with a 25W fast charging feature, ensuring you spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. Now, let's talk about the design and colors. Get ready to drool over three stunning options: awesome lilac, awesome ice blue, and awesome navy. With its sleek metal build and rounded corners, this phone is sure to turn heads wherever you go. But wait, there's more. Recent leaks suggest that the Galaxy A55G will pack a punch under the hood. With the powerful Exynos 1480 processor and 8GB of RAM, you can expect smooth performance and snappy multitasking. And of course, we can't forget about the cameras. While there may not be any major upgrades in this department, you can still count on the A555G to capture stunning photos with its reliable setup. So, are you as excited as we are about the Samsung Galaxy A555G? What features are you looking forward to the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to stay tuned for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.